In this brief video, we're going to demonstrate using ChatGPT to help us write a formula. One of the obvious uses of ChatGPT in Excel is to write formulas that may or may not be complicated to us. It's just easier if we let the AI get a crack at it, and then we can troubleshoot it if we need to. So in this example, I have a date validation. I can pick any month, and I have a heading for balance sheet for the month ended. So what I want ChatGPT to do is, and you can see the prompt right here, you are to act as an Excel formula expert. Please create a formula to combine the text in cell A10 and the date in cell A8 together. And I would like the date to be formatted as April 30th, 2023 in that format. So full month, month end, and the year. So let's copy that prompt. Come over to ChatGPT, and to do this, we're going to use the free version. This is a relatively simple task, so let's see what ChatGPT does for us. Okay, it realizes that we want to combine the text in cell A10, and in A, you can choose following. So I can see, looking at this, that it probably is doing this backwards. I'm positive it's doing it backwards. So let's take that and see what it does in Excel. And I'm just going to come here, paste in that formula. And you can see that it does do it backwards. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, please revise to put the date at the end of the string, and I want a space before the date. Hit enter. Okay, this looks like it does it. And just to point out, for those that may not know, this is concatenating the two strings together. And you'll notice that the ampersand, we could use the concat or the concatenate formula. It uses the ampersand, which is an easier approach. So let's see, when I put this in, what we get. I'm going to come here. There we go. That's a problem. I want this all uppercase. So let's go back. Now, I know how to do that. We would just wrap it in uppercase, but let's ask ChatGPT to do it. Please make this all uppercase. And it will nest it in the upper function. Which is correct. And there you go. We are done. Now we could move that wherever we want to, but one of the uses for this is when you have a dynamic report. In this case, I can pick any month, and it's always going to update my header. Exactly what I wanted. And I can come back to ChatGPT, and it will explain to me what it's done, etc. So this is a great use of ChatGPT just to simplify, potentially, if we didn't know the formula or that we needed to put it in the text function. The date will not show correctly if we don't put it in the text function, and ChatGPT knew to put that into the text function automatically. So this is a great example of, you prompt it, you look at the results, you need to understand what you're looking at, you tweak it, and ultimately you get your answer and you paste it in and you're ready to go. And you might learn a few things along the way. So that's one example.